Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today I want to teach you how you can export in Affinity. Affinity has different export formats, and for this export format, you have this is come here. There are different export formats. Oh my god! So from here we have PDF. These are TIF sections, and under the TIF section, it tells you whether it's RGB 16 bits, 8 bits in that order. It's even specialized for CMYK. So right now, this is RGB. This is PNG. This is transparency without background. Another interesting part, it has an EPS export format. This is EPS. This is escapulated PostScript. This is for CorelDRAW designers. It's a vector-based export format. That is, it's very seamless and very good, especially for Corel users. So, and then this is PSD. PSD here you can export and preserve editability. That is, you can export here and it can be editable in Photoshop. And then this is for PDF for print. And basically, this is SVG. This is scalable vector graphics. It can also be scalable for most especially they use it for programming. This is for building applications. These are very good for media query. So right now, if you want to export in Affinity, first you ensure that your selection, you want to export the entire artboard, or it asks you, you want to export that particular object alone, or you want to export the entire artboard. If you want the entire artboard, you select it. You come here, select. This is the entire artboard. So once you preview, this is your preview section. It will export like that. You don't want PNG. You can simply come to JPEG here, and then this is let's go out. From here, you come to your export format. Look at your export here. You click on export. This, then you can make the changes with your file name. Let's say your file name you want to use soft touch design. Then you click on save, and then it exports so fast. And as you can see, look at it. This is the preview section. It has taken you to where it has exported. So thank you, and if you love our tutorial, subscribe for more.